Hello friends, welcome to SUNRAJ Tech. Today we are exploring some amazing, budget-friendly kitchen gadgets. These gadgets will make your cooking faster, easier and more stylish. Small price, big benefits. Get ready for a smart kitchen experience. Number 1. Tomato and Strawberry Corer. Friends, meet the CALANDIS Strawberry Huller and Tomato Corer. It removes stems from strawberries and tomatoes in seconds. Made from stainless steel and durable PP material, it is rust-free and long-lasting. Press the green button on top, and the stem pops out instantly. The cute strawberry-shaped design adds a stylish touch to your kitchen. Perfect for baking or cake decorating. It saves a lot of time. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. A small tool with a big impact. A must-have for your kitchen. Number 2. Mandolines Slicers. Cutting vegetables can be tricky. The PASHANDOZ18 in 1 stainless steel mandoline slicer makes it easy. It has multiple blade settings for thin, medium, or thick slices. Slice onions, cucumbers, tomatoes, or make crispy potato chips in seconds. Its stainless steel body and unbreakable plastic ensure durability. Lightweight, compact, and easy to clean. Works great at home or in professional kitchens. A true time saver and space saver. Number 3. Mango Slicer. Mangoes are delicious, but slicing them can be messy. The Top Chef Mango Slicer makes it simple and fun. Its food-grade stainless steel blades cut mangoes into 8 perfect slices instantly. Soft wide handles absorb pressure, making it easy on your hands. Raised handles keep your fingers safe from the blades. Ideal for medium-sized fruits up to 3.5 inches. Lightweight 120 grams, it fits easily in your kitchen. Enjoy mangoes quickly and without mess. Number 4. Knife Sharpener. A dull knife makes chopping difficult. The KNIFEPLANET Knife Sharpener gives knives a razor-sharp edge instantly. Its sleek black rod design is stylish and easy to hold. Cut onions, tomatoes, or meat smoothly and professionally. Durable materials save you from buying new knives repeatedly. Keep your knife sharp and ready with this essential tool. Number 5. Garlic Peeler. Peeling garlic can be messy. The Miles Touch Garlic Peeler makes it easy and fun. Made from 100% food-grade silicone, it keeps hands odor-free. Place garlic cloves in the tube and roll lightly. The skins separate in seconds. Works for both small and large cloves. Comes as a 2-piece pack with Made in India quality and 1-year warranty. No mess, no fuss, just quick garlic peeling. Number 6. Garlic Mincer. Crushing garlic can be hard. The Zevon manual stainless steel garlic crusher makes it effortless. Strong stainless steel crushes cloves instantly. No smell, no effort, just fresh garlic paste. Compact 250 grams, dishwasher safe, perfect for daily use. Once you try it, you won't want to cook without it. Number 7. Dispensing Bag Closer. Keeping snack or grocery bags fresh can be tricky. The HASTHIP 2-in-1 dispensing bag clips solve this. They seal bags airtight and have a dispensing lid for easy access. Made from food-grade, BPA, free PP material, keeping food safe. Light, compact and durable. This 4-piece set works for snacks, groceries or pet food. A smart way to keep your kitchen organized. Number 8. Bread Maker. Why depend on bakeries when you can make fresh bread at home? The American MICRONIC bread maker is perfect. With 19 pre-programmed menus, make bread, cakes, pizza dough or chapati dough. 3 crust colors, LCD display, and 1-touch operation make it simple to use. Includes all necessary accessories. 1 kilogram capacity, 550 W power, compact design, ideal for small to medium families. Enjoy fresh, healthy homemade bread anytime. Number 9. Herb Saver Container. Fresh herbs often wilt in the fridge. The BKQPTL Fresh Herb Saver Container keeps them twice as fresh and crisp. Refillable water system, just change water every 3 days. Made from BPA-free, food-grade plastic, dishwasher and freezer safe. 500 gram capacity and slim design fit perfectly in the fridge. Keep herbs hydrated, fresh and flavorful. Number 10. Vegetable Steamer Basket. Steaming preserves nutrients perfectly. The Jig-Tick Vegetable Steamer Basket is made of high-quality stainless steel. Folding and expandable design fits pots from 6 to 10.5 inches. Steam vegetables, chicken, or seafood evenly with 18-panel design. Stable legs prevent water contact. Removable handles make lifting easy. Compact, dishwasher safe, perfect for a healthy lifestyle. Number 11. Julienne Peeler. For stylish fast slicing, try the Go Store 2-in-1 Julienne Peeler. One blade peels, the other makes perfect strips for salads or garnishes. High quality stainless steel with anti-cut design for safety. Works for potatoes, carrots, cucumber, sweet potato and more. Ergonomic handle and hanging hole make storage easy. Compact and space saving. A must-have for an organized, beautiful kitchen. Number 12. Spiral Slicer. Friends, if you want your vegetables to look not only delicious but also professional and fun, then the HASTHIP Spiral Slicer is a must-have in your kitchen. This 5-blade multifunctional vegetable cutter gives you multiple cutting options: 2, 3, 5, 7 mm julienne strands and one flat blade. You can easily cut potatoes, carrots, pumpkin, zucchini or onions into spaghetti, noodles or ribbon shapes. Its stable suction cup base firmly holds the machine on any flat surface, making slicing completely safe and quick. Using it is very simple. Cut the ends of vegetables, set them in the food holder and rotate. Your vegetables will turn into professional chef-style cuts instantly. It is fully disassemblable, easy to clean, dishwasher safe or hand wash, and compact enough to store quickly. If you want your dishes to look perfect and healthy, the HASTHIP Spiral Slicer is a smart gadget for your kitchen. Number 13. Silicone Oil Brush with Dispenser. Friends, if you want to cook and apply oil in a clean, stylish and easy way, then the TASMAX Silicone Oil Brush with Dispenser is perfect for you. It is made of thick, heat-resistant glass and food-grade silicone brush, which is BPA-free and can withstand heat up to 390 degrees Fahrenheit. Its neat design makes pouring, spreading and cooking on baking trays, BBQs, grills or pans very easy. Simply pour oil, tilt lightly, and use the two small holes on the silicone brush to spread oil evenly. No squeezing, no mess. The leak-proof lid and dust-proof cap keep oil safe and free from bacteria or dust. Refilling and cleaning is quick, either by hand wash or in the dishwasher. Lightweight, compact and perfect for kitchen or outdoor BBQ, this brush makes every oil application easy and stylish. If you want cooking to be smart, clean and time-saving, the TASMAX Oil Brush Dispenser is a must-have gadget for your kitchen. These were some amazing budget-friendly kitchen gadgets every kitchen should have. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to SUNRAJ Tech for more smart tech solutions.